Want to completely overhaul the look of your car? A vinyl wrap can reinvigorate any ride, giving your car a brand new appearance. The best part is that it takes very little time and results in professional-looking results. Vinyl is an impressive material with insanely versatile applications. So in this video we will discuss 5 best vinyl car wraps. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. LZLRUN 3D Vinyl Car Wraps. Some wraps are meant to enhance the look of your car for a short period, while you feel out your style. Others, like the LZLRUN 3D Carbon Fiber Vinyl Wrap, are built for long-term application. Acting as a way to strengthen the exterior of your car while adding to its appearance, this wrap comes in rolls a foot wide and 5 feet long. The high-grade vinyl is built specifically for automotive applications. It includes an even coating of a high-grade adhesive that prevents excess bubbling. Because of the glue on the back, you can easily move it over curves and make adjustments during setup. Number 2. 3M 1080 M12 Vinyl Car Wraps. This dual-cast film does not require overlapping and is made for dimensional stability and durability. It's a pressure-activated adhesive, so you can slide and reposition it as necessary before setting it. The wrap is scratch-resistant, can last up to 8 years outdoors, and can be heat-stretched to fit curved surfaces. Wraps from 3M are very easy to work with and are very forgiving if you make a mistake. This one has great adhesion when you run a squeegee over it. And since you can reheat the material, it's easy to get rid of the wrinkles. Number 3. Avery SW900 Vinyl Car Wraps. This color-changing, dual-layer film is designed for metal surfaces, including automobiles, watercraft, laptops, appliances, and cell phones. Smaller sizes can be used for pinstriping, racing stripes, and chrome deletes. The vinyl is 4.5 mm thick and features an air release, so you can push out the air bubbles. This wrap is very protective and produces a smooth and gloss-like finish. It conforms well on deep recesses and is easy to apply and easy to remove any air bubbles. The company claims it will last outdoors for up to 12 years. Number 4. F&Amp LED Lights Vinyl Car Wraps. Carbon fiber pattern wraps are an easy and popular way to give your interior a high-end look. F&Amp B's Twill Weave Wrap is said to have a high-end, 3D look that comes at a reasonable price, and its adhesive gives you time to set it just right, making it a great option for those new to wrapping. However, customers report the 3D pattern can be difficult to keep aligned as it's applied. The wrap may be too easy to tear when applying. Also, some have found the color in real life a bit lighter than advertised. Adhesive allows for precise application. Value. Finished look is very good. Number 5. Vvivid Dark Wood Vinyl Car Wraps. Another great option for sprucing up old interiors, though if you want to make your ride a faux woody, we're not here to judge, is a vinyl wrap with a wood grain pattern. Vvivid has you covered with its dark wood grain faux finish. The finished product looks good and can be used for projects beyond car interiors, but be prepared to work it a little to get the wrap to set. Some buyers have reported issues with inconsistent grain in the pattern and a tendency to tear during installation. Good price. Looks great for interiors. Can be used for other projects. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.